Is iiEmoBaby setting up her targets. Stapling the balloons to the target stand. Okay, got my my little girl here. I know before I was calling her Gunette, but actually she has her own channel. It's called iiEmoBaby. She has a shooting vid on her channel that has twice as many views as mine, don't you? Yeah, she's proud of that too. Outdoing Dad. Picking off her balloons. Reload. It's her Savage Model 64 FXP. Oh, all the balloons are gone. Okay. Bye-bye.